Welcome to the AI Wave, the revolution from the ocean state, the podcast that explores the impact of artificial intelligence on businesses in Rhode Island and beyond. I'm Chris Parisi, founder and president of Trailblaze Marketing, and together with the Trailblaze team, we'll be your hosts as we ride this AI wave. Our mission is to ensure we're not only riding the wave, but having Rhode Island become a leader in this revolution. And we'll make sure you're up to date on the tools you need to harness the power of AI. This podcast will dive into AI-driven marketing, discuss how AI can revolutionize industries like tourism, manufacturing, and healthcare, and we'll bring in experts to share their insights on this rapidly evolving technology. So, whether you're a business owner, a local policymaker, or just someone interested in the future of AI, this podcast is for you. So join us as we explore this exciting world of AI and its impact on the ocean state and beyond. And don't miss an episode. Subscribe to AI Wave, the revolution from the ocean state, on your favorite podcast platform, and follow us at trailblaze.marketing on social media for updates and bonus content. So go on, catch the next wave with us. See you soon.